soil investigation is an essential step in the construction process, as it helps in determining the properties and characteristics of the soil at a particular site. In the case of Noida Sector 50, soil investigation becomes even more crucial due to the diverse nature of the soil in the area. By conducting a thorough soil investigation, engineers can gather valuable information about the soil's strength, composition, and load-bearing capacity. This information is then used to design suitable foundations and structures that can withstand the specific soil conditions in Noida Sector 50. The soil investigation in Noida Sector 50 involves various techniques and methods to assess the soil's properties. These techniques include drilling boreholes, collecting soil samples, conducting laboratory tests, and analyzing the data obtained. The aim is to understand the soil's behavior under different loads and environmental conditions. By doing so, engineers can identify potential risks and challenges that may affect the stability and performance of the structures built on that soil. SCON design is an integral part of the construction process that relies heavily on the results of soil investigation. The design of SCON, which refers to a reinforced concrete footing or foundation, must be tailored to suit the specific soil conditions in Noida Sector 50. The load-bearing capacity of the soil, its settlement characteristics, and its ability to withstand lateral forces are all factors that influence the design of SCON. The SCON design process involves analyzing the data obtained from soil investigation and applying engineering principles to determine the appropriate dimensions and reinforcement requirements for the SCON. The goal is to design a SCON that can distribute the loads from the structure evenly onto the underlying soil, ensuring stability and minimizing settlement. In order to ascertain the qualities and features of the soil at a specific site, soil investigation is a crucial phase in the construction process. Due to the variety of the soil in the area, soil study is even more important in the case of Noida Sector 50. Engineers can learn important details about the strength, makeup, and load-bearing capabilities of the soil by conducting a thorough soil research. Following the use of this knowledge, structures and foundations that are appropriate for Noida Sector 50's particular soil characteristics are designed. Numerous techniques and procedures are used during the soil study in Noida Sector 50 to evaluate the qualities of the soil. These methods consist of boring boreholes, gathering soil samples, running lab tests, and interpreting the results. Understanding the behavior of the soil under various loads and environmental factors is the goal. The stability and effectiveness of the structures constructed on that soil may be impacted by potential hazards and difficulties that engineers can discover in this way. SCON design is a crucial step in the building process that significantly depends on the findings of the soil research. The design of a reinforced concrete footing or foundation, or SCON, must be adjusted to the unique soil characteristics in Noida Sector 50. The soil's capacity for carrying loads, settling characteristics, and resistance to lateral stresses are all elements that affect how the SCON is designed. To identify